Hello, Lake Forest students. It's Mr. Brown. First name Mr., last name Brown. Y'all know that already. And listen. I had really good time at your school. I enjoyed the assembly. I enjoyed the assemblies. I enjoyed hanging around with you guys, having conversations, signing cards. I even enjoyed the classroom visits from the kindergartners to the 4th and 5th graders. Now, I didn't get to every classroom. I'm sorry. We didn't have enough time at the end of the day to get to every single classroom because you guys had lunch, different stuff, and I was on the playground at some point. But thank you guys for listening. I hope you remember the message. Never forget the message. Yeah, it's cool, again, that I have cool shoes. It's cool you think I'm funny. It's cool you think my head is shiny, which I do think it is shiny. But the most important thing I want you to remember is this. When you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Oh yeah. Students, hey, I'm coming back to your school for family night. I want you to ask your parents to be on the lookout and to come to family night. Your school will send them an email, probably some notes home about family night. It's a great time. I'll be back on campus. I'll bring some merch. You can beg your parents for some merch. But if they say no, what do you say? Okay, right? When things don't go your way, just say okay. But I want you to come out to family if you can. We'd have some laughs, some fun. I'll give away a few prizes, and also you can buy some merch too as well. We'll have a great time. So come out. And I hope you guys enjoy the videos you'll be watching in your classrooms, because I want you to really engage and think about your choices, because like I said before, you have the power to make your life what you want to be through your choices. You can try to play the blame game, but the blame game don't work. Don't work to play the blame game, because you will lose every single time, because you have to make choices to be responsible for you. Remember, I am responsible for me, and you are responsible for you. So make the best choice you can, because when you make better choices, you will live a better life. Hopefully choose to come out to family night with your parents and have a great time with me, with you and me, with you and me, your teachers and your parents. And all that is a choice. And when you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Oh yeah. Peace.